This is over the 5-number summary. So you'll be given a set of numerical data. First thing you have to do is put the numbers from least to greatest. Please put it in numerical order. As you can tell, it's done already. So minimum. Minimum means the smallest value, the least value. That is why 70 is the minimum. What's the opposite of minimum? Maximum. That's the greatest value. So it's on the opposite side, which is 100. Median. Median means the middle value when the numbers are in order from least to greatest. So you can tap it out until you find the middle number. As you can tell, 85 is the median. Now, this is where some kids start getting confused. Q1 and Q3. Those mean quartile 1, quartile 3. Next, we will find Q1 or quartile 1. Quartile 1 is the median of the first half. It means like the lower half. So here's the median right here, 85. All of these are the lower half. So what numbers constitute the upper half? These four numbers are the upper half. So this is the lower, this is the upper half. So of these four numbers, what is the median of the lower half? It is 77 and 5/10. You may say, how did I get that? Two ways you can get it. You can find the average by adding up these two numbers and dividing by 2, and you'll get 77 and 5/10. Or I'll be honest, I do it this way. What comes after 75? 76, 77, 78, and 79. What number is in between 77 and 78? 77 and 5/10. So now that's Q1. Q3 means find the median of the upper half of our data. So what's between 96 and 98? 97. So the last thing you need to know is interquartile range, IQR. That's Q3 minus Q1. So quartile 3 is 97. Quartile 1 is 77 and 5/10. If you subtract it, you get 19 and 5/10. So let's practice here. What's the minimum? 2. What's the maximum? 9. Oh, I'm sorry. Are the numbers in order? They are. What's the median or middle? It's in between, it's 5. What's in the lower half? The lower half are 2, 2, 4, L. Upper half are 6, 8, and 9, U. So what's the median of the lower half? 2, quartile 1. What is the median of the upper half? 8, that's quartile 3. So, range, largest minus smallest. It ranges from 2 to 9. How far is it from 2 to 9? 7 numbers away. And last but not least, interquartile range. Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is 8 minus Q1 is 2. The interquartile range is 6. So we're going to be learning that means that's the middle 50% of numbers.